How to use WordPress for SEO. There are several ways to optimize a WordPress site for SEO. 1. Use an SEO-friendly theme. Choose a theme that is optimized for search engines and has clean, valid code. 2. Install an SEO plugin. Plugins like Yoast SEO and All-in-One SEO Pack can help you optimize your site's content, meta tags, and other on-page elements. 3. Use keyword-rich titles and meta descriptions. Make sure your post titles and meta descriptions include relevant keywords. 4. Create high-quality content. Write unique and informative content that is relevant to your target audience. 5. Optimize images. Use descriptive file names and alt tags for images on your site. 6. Use internal linking. Use internal links to help search engines understand the structure of your site and the relevance of individual pages. 7th, use external linking. Link to other high-quality sites to establish your site as an authority. 8. Create an XML sitemap. This will help search engines index your site more easily. 9th, use structured data. Use structured data to help search engines understand the content on your site and display it in rich snippets. 10th, submit your site to Google Search Console. This will give you access to valuable information about how your site is performing in search results and allow you to submit your sitemap. Remember, SEO is a long-term process. It takes time to see results. Keep in mind that the search engine algorithm is constantly changing and you will need to adapt your strategy accordingly. Thanks for watching. See you next time.